Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to control point display using point groups rather than layers in Civil 3D. Civil 3D drawings have many layers. It is much easier to switch the display of the point groups rather than create layer states for each point visibility scenario. A point can belong to more than one group at once. For instance, a water valve cover with elevation may be in a topo group to be used in the definition of surface. A utilities group, since it is part of the utilities point data, and the all point groups, since this is the default Civil 3D all inclusive groups. In these cases, the order in which the point groups are displayed in Prospector determine which point group controls the display of a specific point. So in this exercise we will walk you through an example of how point group display order works. You can download the drawing from the description, and when you will open you will get many points in this drawing, and here on the Prospector tab you can see under the points group we have 4 group: grounds, no display, utilities, and all points. When you will open this drawing, here in the Prospector, right click point groups and select properties. Using the arrow on the far right of the point group listing, select utilities, and then you can go with this arrow, or you can also use this arrow to get utilities at the top of the list. These are group here. Now move on, no display, so that is listed directly below the utilities. Now click OK, and you will see little changes here with these points. If the display objects are not updated to reflect the change, you can run a regen command. Notice now that only points defined by the utilities groups are visible. You can experiment with changing the order of the points group using the properties. So once again we can go to the group points properties, and here if I put all points at the top you will see changes here. So all points are visible now. So you can play with all of these points, that how they can display order.